Every day in the USA, people find themselves in court.
Calls the case of Six Trails versus Justin Reeves.
For the record, Lawrence Craftsman standing in for Cheryl Luckoff on behalf of the plaintiff.
Mr. Reeves, I think, is joining us via Zoom. Hello, Mr. Reeves.
Good morning.
And also Pamela Reeves. All right. Is she there with you?
He is not here.
Pardon?
He is not here.
Okay, thank you. All right. What's the plaintiff's claim?
I believe this is a termination case, Your Honor.
Oh, it is a termination case.
Yeah.
All right.
Money is filled in here, but I don't believe we're entitled to request money.
No.
We're just asking for a judgment of terminating the tenancy by January 15th.
Sir, what's your position on the termination? You were going to go talk to legal services and the like. And
yes, I have spoken to them. They have not had a lawyer come to court with me. I have not received a notice to quit prior to this case.
What do you mean?
I was told that I was supposed to receive a notice to quit prior to this case being filed.
I have a certificate of service of a notice to quit that indicates that it was sent to you by first class mail on October 1st, 2023.
I never received it.
Okay, well, receipt isn't an issue in this case. They've indicated that they've sent it.
Okay. And I was informed by the legal aid that even if you were to dismiss it, they would just redo it, and I needed to start looking for a new place.
That's probably correct, but well, not probably. Where are you in terms of getting a new place?
I am at the very beginning. I was hoping I would be able to stay, and just after talking to the lawyers, they informed me that even if I would be there for 30 days, I would still need to be looking for another place because they're not going to allow me to stay.
They are not. All right, what I'm going to do, I'm going to find that there's no tribal issue in this case. I'm going to grant a judgment to the plaintiff for possession. I will. The basis for this termination was
I think it was just the no lease.
no lease. Okay. So here's what I'm going to do, Mr. Reeves. They would be entitled to a order of eviction on the 15th of this month. All right, that is a holiday, so it can't issue until the 16th. However, Mr. Creffman, I think this gentleman was looking for additional time and well, that there may have been a defect in the case, but there is not. So I'm going to extend that an additional 9 days, basically, or 10 days. So a writ won't issue until January 26th to give you some time to get yourself out and settled. Okay, sir?
Yes, sir.
And that judgment, like I said, is no tribal issue. All right. Okay, thank you. Good luck to you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Court does call the case of Six Trails versus Caro.
Good morning.
Oh, there she is. Okay, good morning. And what's the claim on this case, Mr. Kraft?
Your Honor, there's rent to retain possession in the amount of $4,269 plus $200 in costs for a total of $4,469.
All right. And ma'am, how are you intending on getting this done?
I've actually already turned my keys in, but I need some type of paper to say why I'm owing this kind of like I heard the case before me, and these people are so unprofessional. Like I've never received anything from them, even telling me what I owe. All I know is that I was told I had to leave by December 31st or I would go to court. Then I receive a notice to quit the night before I'm given court papers. They have not given me any paperwork showing why they're saying I owe this money or how much I owe. Like this, I've already given these. I'm done with them. This is, I don't
Ma'am?
want to do this. Is
Hold on
crazy.
a second. Okay, just hold on a second. Take a deep breath for a minute. First thing is that this is a possession only case.
Yeah.
Okay. So you're indicating you moved?
I gave them their keys on Wednesday and I recorded it in case there was an issue.
Hold on. Okay, ma'am. I wasn't there. I'm just asking questions.
My frustration
So-
is not with you, Judge. These people are very frustrating.
Okay, I get it. I get that. For me to understand, I just need you to answer my questions, okay? So you said you gave them the keys on the 3rd?
Yes.
Do you have any indication of that?
I do not, Your Honor.
I knew that
Okay.
was.
Okay, but ma'am, he doesn't have it. That doesn't mean it didn't happen. I'm just saying the attorney doesn't have it. So, so what I'm going to do is, go ahead.
I was just trying not to have to come back to court. So I made sure it was
I
there.
know. I
to
know.
let
I
them-
feel that way sometimes myself. So
Yeah.
here's the thing. Here's what I'm going to do. Defendant says surrendered premises January 3rd, 2024. Okay. This is a possession case. So here's what I'm going to do, ma'am. I don't want you having to come back either, but I'm going to adjourn this out 1 week to the 12th, 2024 at what time is that? 10?
Yes.
At 10 a.m. Let the attorney check in with them as to whether or not you surrendered your keys. And if you surrendered your keys, then this case is done. It's really as simple as that. So you may have to come back into court on that date just to make sure for yourself that's done. If it's not, if they're saying you didn't turn in your keys, just so that you know, I may have to send it for a hearing that you surrendered the premises. But it sounds to me like you did. That paperwork and everything else just has to catch up with the attorney so they can tell me that and try to get rid of the case. Okay, fair enough?
Yeah, but can we do Zoom? Because it's, I don't live near there and I've done what I
No,
needed
you can zoom in,
Okay.
just like you did today. Okay?
Okay. Thank you,
Thank
Judge.
you.
Have a great day.
You do the same.
Bye.
Bye-bye.